The world's most luxurious or costly house is neither in America nor in Europe. It is in Indian city Mumbai. Welcome once again in Brainbox Video. This 27-story building is the home of Mukesh Ambani, which is known as Antilia. Estimatedly, its price is said to be $2 billion. Means 15,000 crores rupees. But people believe that Buckingham Palace is more luxurious and costlier than Antilia. Buckingham Palace is a crown property and Antilia is a private property. After all, what is there in this Antilia that it is called the most expensive house in the world? You will know in this video. It is very beautiful to look at. There is huge parking on 6 floors starting from inside and outside. 170 cars can fit in this parking lot. We all know that Mukesh Ambani is very nice to all luxury cars. He's having 168 cars. Collection in Antilia also has a private garage, where only Ambani cars get service. Antilia also has 3 helipads at its rooftop. And there are 9 elevators present in the lobby. Interior consists of full luxury, which includes swimming pool, gym, relaxation centers. Also a very luxurious and beautiful banquet hall, which can also be used on many occasions for entertainment. There is one cinema also where 50 persons can enjoy. Plantation and greenery is very costly and beautiful, which is very rare and natural, and which keeps and sets temperature, according to weather of building, and here they also have a snowland, where many people can enjoy. The building design is prepared by Chicago architecture company named Parkers & Will and interiors by Limit Group, and it's shocking to know that its 4 lakh square feet building is made only for 5 persons for living. And another shocking thing is there are 600 staff for taking care of on 5 peoples, which includes chefs, driver security guards, plumbers, and many more are included. Mukesh Ambani is the owner of Reliance Industries, and not only of India, but also Asia's richest man. India, which has a very high population of the Mukesh. Ambani owns a good part of import-export and it's one of huge achievements, and 52 billion means 3,000 Arab rupees. Wealth he owns, he is the 15th richest man in the world. If you want to know how Mukesh Ambani spends his billions, do like or comment on this video. We'll make it for you and hope you will like this video and subscribe for more interesting video. Thanks for watching.